So good day, sir. So now we'll make a frequency distribution in the measurement of central tendency. So the first is, these are the data, set of data for frequency distribution. So we are now group all of this. So first is we're going to find the range. So the range is the highest data and the lowest data. So we're going to subtract. So this is the range, so 55. Then 55 divided by 5, so the 5 is the interval. So we're going to compute the number of classes. So 55 divided by the 5, which is the interval, is equal to 11. So the 11 is the exact of the, so the rows is 10 to 50, 10 to 50. So the number of class is the 12. So now we're going to compute the starting point. So the highest data divided by the 5. So this, so divided by the 5 and the remainder is 2. So the remainder must be subtract to the highest data. So 127 minus 2 is 125. So these are the starting point and the class interval. So these are the class 1, 2. So number of class is 12. And so the interval is 5. So 125 plus 5 is equal to 129. Then so on and so forth. So the class boundaries is easy to determine. So we are going to subtract by 0.5. So 124.5 and 129.5. So second is we're going to find the midpoint. So the midpoint is the upper class limits and the lower add and divided by 2. So these are the midpoint, 127. Upper and the lower limits, so I add by the lower limits and is equal to 127. So by the computing the frequency, so the frequency is by the number of tally from the data set is wala siyang frequency. So these are the frequency. So by the total of 60 data. So the frequency is 60. So for the computing the CF or the cumulative percentage, cumulative frequency is the, so dali na kayo siya. So ang imong i-add ang 1, so buta to 1. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and so on and so forth. So muna siya ang tuwang CF less than. So by the greater than, so magkakita sa taas. So sa taas sa punta magkuan. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then so on and so forth. Muna na siya ang ato ang cumulative frequency and greater than.
Go.
So, continue. So, we're going to compute the PF and the RF. So, PF, so dahil na kayo siya i-compute, so, ang RF is, kuha na lang to siya, ang iyang frequency, i-divide na to siya sa 50, so, resulta siya 0.03. So, that's the, ato ang PF. So, the CF is, ato siya ang 60, so, divide na to siya ang 60, the times 100, so, that should be 100. So, frequency, times the CF and times 100 is equal to be 97.7. So lang sa pagkuha sa CF and PF percentage. So post na.
Go.
So for the next is we're going to compute the measurement of central tendency. So these are the needed for the measurement of mode, median and mean. So the mean need is the class interval, the midpoint and the frequency. So the midpoint, so kung na siya pagkuha sa midpoint na, para siyang i-add ang lower limits and the upper limits. So it will be 127. So the mean, so dahil kayo compute ng mean is the mean divided fx divided by the population. So we're going to find the fx. So 127 times the frequency, the midpoint is equal to 314. So that's fx. So the class mark plus ay times the frequency. So i-divide natin siya tanan. So result gusto siya o kuan. Ay ato siya i-multiply tanan, muna siya ang result. Muna siya sa 360, 468. So those are the result. So multiply the fx. And then ato siyang i-add tanan, so that should be 6060. So natay kailangan sa mean. So muna siya itong kailangan, the 6060 and 60. So ato na siyang i-divide. So the result is 101. So that should be the mean for this group. So we're going to compute the median. So the median is lower limits plus the population divided by 2 minus the frequency or the class median, and the FM is the class median before frequency before the class median, and I is the interval or the class width. So atong matanaw diri is kinahanglan lang nato is ma-identify so asa ang median. So ang median diri is the 100. So kailangan to is ang median is the lower boundaries now. So lower boundaries. So ato siya i-subtract into 0.5. So these are the should be 99.5. And the population nato sa frequency is the 60. So i-divide natin sa 2 is equal to 30. So kung kawala mo asa makuha ang 24. So this is the descending by the descending. So ang ato ang 24 is the before the class median. So atong median is 12 ano? So dali atong class median. So before the class median, the frequency is the 24. So sa ubos siya. since these are the descending. So almost yun na siya magawa ang 1. Then the interval is the 5, or the class width is the 5, and the FM, or which is the class median, is the 12. So muna siya ato ang frequency. So now I'll compute 2199.5 plus the 6 plus 6. So 30 minus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 divided by 2 times 5 is equal to 2.5. Then add na siya 99.5. So that should be the 102 ang iyang class median. So we're going to compute the mode. So lower boundaries plus the E sub 1 divided by the E sub 1 plus the E sub 2, and the I is the class width. So by the find the E sub 1 and E sub 2, so ang ato ang which is the atong find na to diriya is ang pinakataas of frequency is the 12 man. So which is kana siya ato ang mode. So ang mode is by this is ascending, so 12 minus the so the frequency is so muna to siya sa before man, so sa ubos na siya kuha. So 12 minus the 5 is equal to 7. Yang E sub 1 is mo na siya ang kuan before the class. So ang E sub 2 is after. So ang ato mapansin is descending man siya, so ang after na to siya is ibabaw gyud dito nga sa ulan ko. So this is should be the 8. So mode for the highest frequency minus the after the class mode. So this should be a 4. Subtract ko siya. Then makuha na to siya. So since ang ato ang lower limit sa ato ang pinakataas na frequency, since this is 100 man, so it should be 100 plus the 7. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So i-divide na siya sa 7 and 11, then i-multiply sa 5, so it should be 3.18. Then 3.18 plus the 100, then wala siya ato ang class mode, which is the 103.18. So that's all, sir. Thank you.